faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. Yes, I am in my Jamaica jersey tomorrow. I'm chatting BS. I'm in my Jamaica colors today, and so is Tyler, and some other people is not in any Jamaican color, but that's okay. Once Ty and I are representing, that's totally fine. Two reasons. Today, the bestie boo will be taking on the 100 and give me my revenge of Usain Bolt missing out on the goal yesterday. I pray in my heart and I feel that she will win, so hopefully she will come through for me. Also, today is, oh snap, number 8. Today is Independence Day back home, so happy Independence Day to all my fellow Jamaicans. Have a good holiday. So yeah, we're on the road. I'm actually going to meet somebody who I've never met. I've joined this French Riviera moms group, and I met this awesome girl on there. So I'm going to meet her right now in town for the first time. So I'm looking forward to that. Can't go across. So I'm looking forward to meeting her. Heading to town, and it's just after 10 a.m. 5 minutes to 10. And it's so hot out. And there is people flocking the beach as usual, as you can see behind me. But it's a little bit cloudy. The sun is not out, but yet you still feel the heat. My bear is here in his green and gold. Say bye. Say bye bye. Blow them kisses. Bye. So I hope you guys will have an amazing day. Enjoy your Sunday. Enjoy your weekend. Stay positive, stay motivated, stay blessed, keep a smile on your face. Alright, we'll catch you in a bit. Back from our meetup in town with my friend. She's so lovely. She's a really nice person. I think it will be a long last friendship between Lily and Di. So yeah, I'm happy to slowly making friends with other English speaking people around here. So yeah, that was a good encounter. We're back home and I'm actually in the kitchen making brunch for me and lunch for Babe, but he wants the same thing I'm eating, so I'm just here making some omelets and watching the championships because you know your girl is glued to that TV.
I want to be in the camera like you when you're interviewing someone and you see all the little kids around and just showing like they want to be in the camera. I want to be in the camera.
Anyway, you guys, I'm going to eat right now. So we have a little time in the afternoon before it's time for Ilse Boo race. So we're just heading to the pool. I'm just taking Tyler to the pool so he can have a little fun, even though it's crazy hot outside. Well, I guess it's a perfect timing for the pool. Come baby, come on, let's go. Ty! So I'm just taking him to the pool for a bit. The GoPro, don't it? Wow! Today for dinner, I am making some boiled corn right there, and in here we have steamed veg going down on that, pak choy and carrots, and in here I am slow steaming chicken. Yes, so that's what dinner is for today. And babe is being a good sport and helping me as usual, washing dishes. His favorite spot in the kitchen now.
Yes, I can rest my head in some time.
You're so hilarious. Alright guys, so this is what dinner is looking like tonight. So it's time to grub. Hungry. Say bye. They'll see you tomorrow. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Alright, bedtime, okay? You guys, the unfortunate just happened and I bawled. I literally bawled. Why? Stop it. Stop it. Are you ashamed of her? Don't do that.
With my new haircut.
I bawled. Like I bawled because I know she's healthy. I know she's ready, and I know she have it wrapped around her fingers. There's no way she could lose the finals, but it's track and things happen, and it just so happened that she stumbled after she got out of her drive phase, and it just cost her the race. But she just gonna have to go back to the drawing board and come back again. But don't worry, Elaine, we're still proud of you, and I love you so much. You wouldn't know. But yeah, it's just one of those things, mama. The camera was just here running until the battery just died because I was in that much shock. I wasn't prepared for this. I wasn't prepared for this because I knew she had it in the palm of her hands. And honestly, I'm not going to even tell you guys all the lovely things right now because I'm not gonna fake it, because I'm really in a kind of somber mood, and unfortunately there will be no Jamaican expression tonight and no French expression tonight. Okay, we're just going to end the vlog and tell you guys that we still love you, but I hope you understand my grief. Okay.